guys, back with another video. Again, AC voice, just like the last time. This week I am decorating for the 24th through the 30th. This is what the current week is turning out to look like. This week I am using a kit from my shop because I don't see plumerias often in digital papers, so I did end up making this kit. I rarely see plumerias, I always see hibiscus, so I did have to make this kit myself, and I even went to the point to use the date covers as plumerias. And this is the kit here. I just pulled all of the sheets that are in the shop so I could decorate. That is that. I didn't even pull out all of my stickers. What am I thinking? I have AC brain, AC voice, and AC brain. But that's the kit. I'm gonna try pull everything that I can from the kit rather than pulling other things, but we'll see what happens. As far as the pen, I've decided to go with a dark brown pen for this week. There's browns in here, and I like to use like darker colors now in my spreads, so I thought the dark brown would be perfectly fine. Paper clips, no rhyme or reason. I have this green fox here, even though this fox does have a 4-leaf clover. It's still green and brown, so I thought it matched. I have this gold bow. I have this vinyl Starbucks clip. I have this Girl Boss shaker license plate. I have this little pineapple. All of the links will be down below except for this guy. I have a Maui here because he matches the kit perfectly, and this I just made myself for personal use. That's the paper clips. As far as the plans go, I am still using the Erin Condren hardbound notebook or hardbound planner, the horizontal. Well, I think the small one only comes in horizontal, so yeah. So as far as the plans go, again, very empty. We don't have very much going on because it's still summertime, although Ryder does start school the following week that I'll be decorating. Same things here, $2 Tuesday prep laundry, Hello Monday, $2 Tuesday, take next week's kit picks. Ryder's first day of school would be a week from this day. Midweek film plan with me. Date night kind of turned into family night because the kids stay awake. Kyla's not coming over this day, so I'll just be working. I kind of work when she's here anyway. Little Friday, car due, limited edition kit prep, like getting the Etsy listings things done like that, movie night, and literally all of the basics. And then as far as the countdown, look how many times I've messed up the countdown. Like, look how many numbers is on some of them. So originally, when did I do a countdown? Maybe 2 weeks ago in the spread. I think on the Nicole Hutch Designs week. I don't even remember what one where I started counting down. And then I realized that kids aren't just thrown into kindergarten, that they get eased into kindergarten. So I had to cross this out. I literally thought that would be for Destiny's first day of school. So actually, the parents have an orientation this day. Destiny has 1 day of school this week. She goes to school 2 days on this week, and then the 21st is her first full day of school. So I got all of my dates wrong because I figured they just like, here, go to kindergarten, stay a full day. I totally forgot. Jaden is now going to be in 6th grade, so I totally forgot they're like eased into kindergarten. Anyways, that's the plans for the week. Again, this is everything I have here right now, and then I'll probably just pull a few things from my stash just because a lot does come in this kit and the plans are very non-existent for this week. There's not too much going on, so yeah, we'll see what I pull. But anyways, thank you always for watching. I hope you like this plan with me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.